Meghalaya Health Department has alerted different district surveillance units after the dengue outbreak in Assam and Manipur. Principal Secretary Health Sampath Kumar said that the district surveillance units are put on alert in view of dengue outbreak. He said that every district has a district surveillance officer and they are closely monitoring the situation. It may be mentioned that the dengue situation in Assam remained grim, with over 427 dengue positive cases recorded in just 7 days. Assam's Karbi Anglong district is the worst affected, as a total of 400 cases have been detected in the district since November 1, according to the National Health Mission, Assam.
We have the surveillance systems are there. So this is surveillance system. So these systems would pick up. But when you ask, like, we have those systems, but like whenever we have these outbreaks happen in different states, we also get a feedback from the Government of India, and we alert the entire system. So we have routine systems are there.
The leaders of the hill state